Robots are changing faster than anyone expected, and what they're becoming is starting to feel uncomfortable. Not in the future, not in science fiction. Right now, robots are learning to move like humans, to react like humans, to exist almost like humans. And the line between machine and human is starting to blur. For years, robots were simple, slow, predictable. They followed commands and nothing more. But that is no longer true. Today, machines are learning from data, from movement, from behavior. They are watching us and copying us. Companies like Boston Dynamics are building robots that can walk, run, jump, and even recover from mistakes in real time. Their movements are no longer robotic. They feel natural, almost alive. And that's where things start to get strange. Because the more human they become, the more uncomfortable it feels to watch. There's something about it that doesn't sit right. A machine should not move like that. It shouldn't react like that. But it does. And it's getting better. Every single day. But movement is just the beginning. Because now, these systems are also learning to think. Artificial intelligence is being integrated into robotics, allowing machines to analyze situations, make decisions, and adapt without human input. This is where everything changes. Because a robot that can move is impressive. But a robot that can think is something else entirely. Imagine a machine that understands its environment, responds instantly, and improves itself over time. That is no longer just a tool. It's something closer to an independent system. And once that happens, control becomes a real question. Who decides what it does? Who limits it? And what happens when it no longer needs constant instructions? These are not theoretical questions. They are being asked right now. Because the goal is not just to create machines that assist humans. The goal is to create machines that can operate on their own. And once we reach that point, there is no going back. Factories, security, healthcare, even daily life could be filled with machines that move. think and act without hesitation. And for many people, that future feels exciting. But for others, it feels unsettling. Because deep down, we understand something. When a machine starts to look human, move like a human, and think like a human, it stops feeling like just a machine. And that changes everything. This is not about fear. It's about awareness. Because the world is moving in this direction, faster than most people realize. And the question is not if robots will become part of our lives. The question is, how far will they go? And when that line finally disappears, will we even notice?